Islam, Judaism, and Christianity are three of the world's great monotheistic faiths. They share many of the same holy sites, such as Jerusalem, and prophets, such as Abraham. Collectively, scholars refer to these three religions as the Abrahamic faiths, since it is believed that Abraham and his family played vital roles in the formation of these religions. Islam began with the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Islam means surrender, and its central idea is a surrendering to the will of God. Its central article of faith is that there is no God but Allah and Muhammad is his messenger. Followers of Islam are called Muslims. Muslims believe that they are following in the same tradition as the Judeo-Christian figures Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus, who they believe were significant prophets before Muhammad. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, provides very little detail about Muhammad's life. However, the hadiths, or sayings of the Prophet, which were largely compiled in the centuries following Muhammad's death, provide a larger narrative for the events in his life, although there is significant debate in the Muslim world as to which hadiths are accurate.